quick video. I want to show you how to use the Midwest gasoline can that looks like this. It's got that safety red button there on the top on the nozzle. I want to show you how to use it. It's not as complicated as you think, and you may have a problem getting the nozzle to work, and I want to show you what you're doing wrong. So let's go ahead and disassemble it and put it back like it was brand new in the box. I'd highly recommend you wear some kind of safety gloves so you don't accidentally get gas on you. All right, so that goes in like this, and you have the little safety thing like that. All right, so this is probably how it came brand new for you. So the only thing you have to do is just go counterclockwise, remove this little red lid here, and pull it out. And then what you're going to do is get this part here, the screw. And this is very important. Make sure you screw this on super tight as you can. Use two hands if you have to. That way gas doesn't seep out here on the side. All right, so this is the problem area here that so many people have a problem. They push this little red thing and gas still doesn't come out. So you have to actually do two things at the same time. You have to push this red thing in, and this thing has to be like this at the same time. It has to be pressed down. And the reason that is that's going against a surface, whether that's a lawnmower or a string machine, gasoline machine, or even your car. So what happens is people will push this little red lever down, and then they think that that's it. All right, but no, this has to be pushing down. So that would be the problem area. So what you want to do is make sure this is tight. And so if you're at a lawnmower, while you're holding it up, while you're holding it down, what you want to do is hold this button in, and if you're not able to press this against a piece of metal on the gas tank for the lawnmower, for example, you might have to press in a little bit so gas will start coming out. So as you can see in my car, I actually have a blue nozzle right here because I was having a problem filling it up, and what I did was I actually got this funnel here and put this in, and I'll show you in a second, and I had to press up against it in order to get the gas to go through. And then I'm going to press it up against the plastic. So I want to do this, push that in, and so what I'm doing is I could either use my hand to press on it and move it backwards, or I can press down into the plastic. And the harder you press, the more gas that's going to come out. You just slowly let the gas come through like that. If you have a funnel like this, a plastic funnel, there's nothing wrong with removing your nozzle altogether and just pour it out straight like this directly into the funnel, and that'll be a lot quicker and maybe a little bit safer.